Sorry na po. Tell me something about yourself. Siguro I'll give a fun fact na lang po. I grew up in Qatar my whole life, and that did not stop me from appreciating the culture and tradition of Batangas City. Diba? And nadala ko naman po siya here even sa nationals, and hopefully I can apply it through my whole journey sa nationals.
3 things in Batangas City you're proud for?
Definitely for the culture, the hospitality of the people, and the food.
Greatest achievement you have in up to date? The greatest achievement you have on your life?
I say po winning the regionals sa MIPH Batangas. So, it's like a highlight of my life kasi I did not expect to win that, and it just gave me more motivation to look forward into things na you won't expect naman.
What is your greatest heartbreak?
Greatest heartbreak? Second year college, I had my first 5 sa class. That was painful.
Do you have any insecurities about yourself, and how did you overcome your insecurities?
I'd say right now po, my biggest insecurity is my height. I mean, I'm not the shortest, pero definitely when I look at my fellow competitors, they're all much taller. And nung regionals pa lang, that was something I worked on talaga. And right now, parang hindi naman siya masyado nakakabother sa akin. But what helped me overcome was just believing in myself na there's so much more than height that I can show people, and so much to give them.
Are you aware that you're one of the most handsome on your batch?
No, hindi naman po. I mean, looking at my kanina, sa fellow competitors, ang dami pong deserving ng crown, and hearing that from you, that's parang nakaka-flatter, and I'm flattered to hear that. So, thank you po.
If there is one, ano yung pinakamagandang bahagi ng katawan mo that most people admire?
Your best asset.
Best asset.
Katawan, I would say my upper body. Kasi I think it's my strength. When I remove this, I have
the chest.
Parang buong upper. Kasi I think my strength talaga is in my shoulders.
What is your advocacy in joining Mr. International?
Right now po, fitness. I'd say fitness. Parang I recently got back lang into it after the pandemic, and parang it's something I wish na I did sooner kahit ng pandemic. Parang maybe dapat ginawa ko rin siya nung 2 years na may lockdown. And then I think it would be better for me.
What are the 3 traits Mr. International Philippines is looking for?
3 traits for a winner po?
Yes.
I would say
an ideal Mr. International would be, and
looking
give
for
us 3 traits that fits a Mr. International Philippines winner.
I would say, in my opinion, definitely handsome, smart, and kind.
And are you in this race that you have mentioned? Do you think you are into this race?
I would say yes.
There's a lot of pageantry in the Philippines, male pageantry. Why did you choose MIPH?
Well, I saw MIPH as one of the most, in the top, most prestigious pageants here in the Philippines. So, to me, parang it's one of, parang joining this would open up a lot of opportunities, and that's something I think all of us would look forward naman po.
If you're gonna set something or a target in this competition, what placement do you think you can achieve?
Well, I say any would do.
Dapat pag may tanong na ganyan, capable ka, dapat kiniklaim mo yan. The next time na tanungin ka, you should be confident enough to answer na, I am capable to be the winner.
Alright.
Okay, since you're good looking, like, given a chance na makapasok sa showbiz industry, sino yung gusto mong maka-love team or maka-work with?
Oh, that's very broad po eh. Right now siguro si Heaven, pero
like, meron ka bang ina-admire ng mga love team here in the showbiz industry?
Right now po, Don Bell.
Don Bell.
Natutuwa po ako sa kanila.
So what's their current series?
Can't find
Are you aware of Kim Pao?
Cut niya yun.
Sino naman?
When did you move here to the Philippines?
Around 2022 po, mid-2022.
So you grew up in Qatar?
Yes po.
Okay.
Parang I went home lang for college.
For college.
Yes po.
Alright. So you're competing with more than 50 candidates, right, across the nation.
Yes,
What
po.
is your edge amongst all of the contestants?
I mean, I would use my background. But I grew up in a different country. I think I have experienced different cultures, different traditions, met different people of different nationalities. I think from the name of the pageant itself, I could use my experience and talking to people and being what do you call this? Authentic. Yeah, I'd say that.
Last thing na lang,
Let's go.
give us 3 types of smile that you can produce, the cutest self that you can.
Cutest
Ano ba?
selfie.
Cutest self. So, di ba, magpapakute ka, what are the 3
Pose.
cutest pose that you can have?
First pose. Okay, next
Second.
one.
Tapos
And then
third.
last one. Okay, you can promote your social media here and invite your friends and supporters here.
Social media, Facebook, Ray Mendoza, Instagram, at RAEMNDCA, Ray Mendoza, and ayun lang po, yun yung dalawang socials.
Last thing, can you say, Boys Love Philippines din, smile lang magpakute sa camera.
Boys Love Philippines.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
And
much.
wish you the best of luck for the competition.
Thank you po.